love, because today we're going to fire up the engines of your spirit and infuse your hearts with the unstoppable energy of possibility. We are not letting the future, with all its tough challenges, worries, and discouraging prospects, cast a shadow on our dreams. We're not backing down, we're stepping up into the realm of the divine, where we can hear the voice of the Mighty One saying to each of us individually, let him, let her take hold of my strength. And no, it's not just a suggestion, it's a call to grab hold of something cosmic, something powerful. Picture it, you're reaching out and grabbing hold of the divine strength that propels galaxies into motion. Now that's the kind of strength we're talking about. Taking hold of his strength is not merely an act of faith, but a commitment to surrender our lives to his guidance and service. It's a conscious choice to align our actions with his word, and in this surrender we find a promise that we will never be placed in a position for which he has not already made provision. We can rest in the assurance that all our needs will be provided for, no matter what our situation, regardless of the challenges that loom on the horizon or the chaos life throws our way. We've got a celestial guide ready to direct our path. Think of it as having the ultimate GPS for your life, guiding you through every twist and turn. It's a guiding light that pierces through the darkness of uncertainty, illuminating the path forward. We are not adrift in the vast expanse of the unknown. We are anchored by a force greater than ourselves. No more feeling lost or stuck. You've got the ultimate cosmic guide in your corner. And when things start to get perplexing, as they so often do, you've got a surefire counselor on speed dial, just waiting to take your call at any time, night or day. This isn't just an advisor, it's a cosmic confidant, ready and willing to release wisdom bombs and clarity grenades into your life. Let us not only seek, but embrace this counsel, drawing strength from the well of infinite wisdom that is available to us. Anxiety and perplexity be gone, for you have more than met your match. Life, with its inevitable trials, brings moments of sorrow, heartbreak, and loneliness. Yet even in our darkest hours, we are not alone. We have a sympathizing friend, a constant companion who understands the depths of our hearts. This friend walks beside us, offering solace, comfort, and a reassuring presence that turns our solitary loneliness into a tender-hearted dance of companionship. So, dear friend, as we journey through the uncharted territories of the future, let us grasp hold of his strength. Let us become bold and fearless, doers of his word, guided by a divine purpose. In so doing, we unlock